Hi,
Hello,
what is your name?
my name is Nobita.
What do you do?
I'm a student.
Where are you from?
I'm from Japan.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love music.
At what time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Dojimon, and Shizuka.
What about Jan and Sunio?
They are also my friends, but they tease me a lot and they also beat me like a black and blue. Shizuka, you are my best friend and you are my classmate also. Can you give me your homework?
Sure, Nobita, you can take my homework notebook, but you should do by yourself.
Oh, Shizuka, I cannot do. Please give me your homework now.
Nobita, why is your voice too hard?
I don't know, Shizuka, but I think I am growing. I am growing.
Nobita, what do you want to say? The people, those who are watching us?
I think I will say them to please learn something from us that how we are using word and how to do conversation and do subscribe the channel of It's So Easy and he's doing hard work to make this video.
Yes, guys, please subscribe this channel for Nobita and Shizuka. Bye. Bye, Nobita.
Yes guys, subscribe this channel. Bye Shizuka. Bye. See you soon.